Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. My name is Esona, and of course I'm not going alone. I'm here with my amazing partners, which is
And
and
Zesipo Z.
okay. So we are here to discuss about the Tempest play, which is written by William Shakespeare. So the play begins about a storm that is taking place in an island. So the storm is controlled. The island and the storm is controlled by Prospero, the Duke of Milan. So he is trying to bring his enemies closer. His enemies, which is Antonio, his brother who betrayed him, and Alonso, the king of Naples, whom are working together to try to remove Prospero as the Duke of Milan. They are trying to bring his power down. So we are just going to focus on two important themes of the play, which is the theme of control and power and the theme of revenge and forgiveness. And also we are going to also use the textual evidence just as to support our play to show fully understanding of the play. So we can proceed, guys.
Okay, so we will start by discussing the theme of power and control, as power in the play plays an important role, as several characters try to gain control over others. So an example for this is Prospero, who is a former Duke of Milan and was sent to exile after his brother Antonio betrayed him. So as Prospero was on exile, he found himself in an island. So there in the island, he used his magic book to control the entire island together with the people that lived in it.
We also see that Prospero had power and control over two characters, which is Caliban and Ariel. And Ariel is portrayed as a spirit and carries out many magical tasks. And those magical tasks caused a shipwreck that frightened the sailors and passengers.
Oh,
Yes, and there was Alonso and Antonio, which they were Prospero's enemies.
Okay, so I would like to ask you, what were those tasks, the magical tasks?
Ariel appeared as fire and lightning, but he ensured that there is no one died.
Oh, she ensured that.
She. Oh,
she.
Yeah, she. Oh my
It's
God.
a she, guys. But
that
yeah,
part.
yeah, it literally doesn't make sense that how is it like a she just is a servant.
That's what confuses me.
Yeah, but it happens, guys.
Hey,
Of course, as you
yeah,
can
we see.
Okay, so as you have mentioned that Ariel was a servant in the spirit of Prospero. So she was waiting for Prospero, and she was hoping that one day she would be maybe granted the freedom that she has been looking for as she is working for Prospero. And then Prospero proceeds just to promise her that if she continues to obey his rules, if she continues to work for him and be loyal for him to him, he will just grant her the wisdom that the freedom that she wants. Because for example, in Act 1 Scene 2, Prospero says that do that and after 2 days I shall set you free. So that is a Prospero telling Ariel that if she continues obeying him, obviously she will get the freedom.
The freedom.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Wow, that's nice, but I don't trust that.
You don't.
How can?
No.
But
2 days.
but
2 days.
no, not really into like two consecutive days. But I think he meant like just generally if he continues to work and like follow his
the
rules,
line.
yes,
Yeah.
excuse me, he will grant her the wisdom, the freedom. And then
We also see that Prospero had so much power and control, where we see that Caliban is angry at him that he took the island which didn't belong to Prospero, and Caliban believed that the island belonged to him. Why is that so?
So when Prospero arrived in the island, Caliban lived there with his mother, but his mother is now late. So Caliban believed that the island should belong to him because his
It's
mother
more-
left him.
Oh, it's more
left
like
it
it's an
for him.
inheritance.
Yes.
It's
Oh,
his inheritance.
Yes,
Oh,
so the
okay.
island is rightfully
That's why, yeah,
his.
it was like really rightfully his.
Yes.
Just
I understand
Prospero
why
took
he's
over.
angry.
Yeah.
Yeah, because what do you mean someone
Can
will
take
just
over
come
a
and
whole
control you in
island.
your land? Like,
Why you
no.
are still alive,
How?
mind you?
No.
Okay,
There's no way.
and guys, I think you said you mentioned I think that Caliban didn't want to be controlled by Prospero, right?
Yeah.
However, guys, he had no choice but to obey Prospero's rule,
yeah.
because I remember in Act 1 Scene 2 again, Prospero Caliban admits that really Prospero has power over him, because he says that I must obey. His art is such of power. That
yeah.
means that Prospero has
Use
his magical powers
Yes.
are taking over, and he has authority over Caliban. So Caliban
So
has no choice but to obey Prospero's rules.
Yeah.
So Caliban was not free.
Yeah,
But,
Yeah,
I,
he was
but,
not.
but I think Caliban agrees to himself that will be useful to Prospero.
Yes, he did, because he had no choice.
My
Like,
God.
yes.
Because what if
Oh,
like
no
that
choice.
Prospero use magic
Okay,
to
guys.
control him?
Guys, I want to ask you something, ne?
Yeah.
How can you reflect a theme of power and control in South African context? How can you say? Do you have a take in that?
I think I have a take because we see the leaders there.
Especially the
The
government
local-
officials,
the
and,
locals,
yeah,
yeah.
local municipalities.
Yeah, even the municipalities.
Yes.
Yes.
They
indeed.
abuse power for them.
for their
And
own
then,
benefit.
and then
Benefit.
yes, and then
Yes.
guys, that leads to injustice and inequality, like, because the class distinction obvious. It's
Yeah,
Yes.
different.
just gotta,
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, yeah, really, I
It's
understand that
exactly.
one. Okay, so
Guys, okay.
I think this is a matter of being controlled, and why you have no power to fight for yourself. Like you don't have anything.
And they tend to take over people's things. Those
Yes,
ones.
just like
Yeah.
Prospero did.
Yeah,
Claiming
yeah.
things that are not theirs.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, guys,
can
and even in South Africa we do have that. Like even today we have such problems, because as you have said that even in municipalities, even in
Those
governments,
problems will never end.
we do have
Never
them.
end.
Never, because I feel like it's a matter of corruption. It's a matter of equity. It's a matter of like wanting to have that power, to have
Power.
authority, even though you know that you were not born with it. Like you just wanna, yeah, and yeah, I
Yeah.
think
The whole island. Power, Prospero.
he had power, like he had power, all the power.
No ways.
Yeah, I had power, shame, and even and it's really shocking that even most people were controlled by one person. But it happens, guys. As we can even
Magic.
see it. Yeah, it's magic
powers.
It's magic powers.
Okay.
Oh, guys, can you see the theme of revenge and forgiveness?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's dwell on that.
Okay.
Okay, so at the beginning of the play, as Prospero was trying to revenge himself, with the thunderstorm and the shipwreck, we might conclude and say that Prospero was on a revenge mission, punishing
Why he
Antonio.
went to revenge
Yes.
towards Alonso and
Antonio.
okay. So guys, we see that Antonio and which is Prospero's brother, and the king of Naples, which is Alonso, worked together so that they can remove Prospero from the power that he had
Oh, as a joke.
as a king.
Oh,
Yes.
so how did Alonso and Antonio try to work together to try to remove?
Hey, the
Prospero?
brother used the brother.
Oh,
Hey,
the brother is the problem.
here's the problem. The problem, that one.
How?
He lied, guys. He lied. He used a combination of lies and manipulation to the way that he manipulated the king, that he might believe that and Prospero is the bad leader. He doesn't know how to rule people. He doesn't have leadership skills. Like he even said that Prospero focused more on his books, not on knowledge of leaderships.
Yeah. Okay. Then okay.
But what if he was right? Do you think he was lying or maybe?
I don't think
that
he was
Prospero is more focused on
Yes,
It's
I don't
less
think
of
he
a
was like
leader.
because Prospero. Remember that he mostly used his magical powers, the magical powers from the educational
the
books.
books or the
Yes,
books that he
so I don't
read.
think he was lying because yes, and the powers were working for him. Like
How did they work?
he controlled the island.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, they-
Yes, so
I want
Okay,
this book.
guys, do you think that is? Oh my God, when I want to control the score.
now I want to control South Africa.
Oh, the whole country.
Whole
You
country.
look like Prospero, but look in.
No, because like
But guys, do you think that those magic things were a good idea for Prospero to use them?
in his
that
own way,
situation.
though. Yes, in his own way. Yes, in his own way.
How, Map?
Because they were working for him. He had like a power. Like he wanted the power, right?
Yes.
So he got the power he wanted because he got an authority to control people he wanted to control. He got to bring his enemies closer by the powers. So in
But
his
he-
own way, it worked
But
for
he
him.
ended up taking people's things.
Yes,
Not
that's what
even-
that's what he wanted. Like that's what he wanted.
Okay.
That is why I'm saying in his own way,
Okay,
it worked
okay.
for him.
Yeah,
Yes.
it also benefited him.
Yes.
When he was doing the revenge thing, and okay,
I think
yeah.
Prospero was great. Yeah?
Okay,
Great.
so
Yeah.
I think we can like how did like Prospero try to avenge himself? Like
How did he?
how did he try to avenge himself? I'm trying to remember that. Okay, that as much as I'm saying, he uses his magical powers to try to bring his enemies closer. That's how he tried to avenge himself
Oh,
because
yeah.
he wanted them closer so that he
Yeah.
can be able to attack them
Yeah.
while they are next to
Oh,
him.
using area. Oh,
Yes.
Yes.
I get it.
Yes, I just wanted to link the you
the
know
things.
yes.
Okay.
But yeah, along the way, he changed his mind and thought maybe I should just forgive them and choose peace.
Okay.
I think he also believes, guys, in peace. He also believes
In forgiveness.
in forgiveness.
Definitely,
Yeah.
guys, because in Act 5 Scene 1, like he just like says to Ariel, remember that Ariel hoped for freedom. So he says to Ariel, then to the elements, be free and fare thy word. That means he is giving Ariel the freedom that he's been wanting, and then he then gives up his powers, magical powers. He just go back to Milan, and then he also as I have said that he also grants Ariel the
Ariel.
freedom that
And also
she
Caliban.
wanted, and
He
also
gives-
yes,
yes.
Caliban. Remember
That's
that
what
he
I'm
was
saying,
also
that
free.
We
He
can
was
say
also
he's a
set
good
free.
leader.
But guys, we
Yeah,
couldn't change
don't
the
you know he's a
wounds.
good
We couldn't.
man?
But
Yeah,
no, guys. No.
Yes, there are stars.
no,
there are-
like-
Okay,
but
by choosing
I don't-
not to avenge himself, he shows that he is a good
But
man.
he did try to. He did try.
But he didn't.
He did try, guys.
Hey.
The storm, the controlling of the island.
But no one was harmed,
He's
right?
seven.
but he ensured that no
No
one
one
dies.
died.
Not him. It's Ariel.
No.
It's Ariel.
But Aaron was
Ariel.
a servant that
Yes,
followed
Ariel
his
followed.
No,
his
not really,
instructions.
not really, because Ariel was doing that because she wanted to, not just because as much as she was obeying Prospero, but the thing of like she didn't want to. Like she didn't want people in the island to be killed. It's because
Guys,
it
we
was
want your
coming from the
views.
place
Your
of-
views about this.
and guys and shame as much as he's like choosing forgiveness, he tries to bring them closer and try to unite and reconcile with them, because I remember in Act 5, I'm not sure if it's Act 5, yes,
Yeah.
he just says like, I think that in Vicha, that in Virgins, the thing of
she
yes,
better,
yeah, that one shows that it's better if you forgive
Give
than just
to
like
hurt
chasing
people.
revenge.
Yeah.
So
He's a
he
good
just
man.
gives up in like avenging himself, and yeah.
But we can't speak for his servants. We're gonna view it there.
Guys, do you think in South Africa, as much as like, okay, like, do you think in South Africa or South African leaders in politics can like today, like can they just like repent and be like
They will
Prospero?
never. Those ones, they will never. even they,
But
if,
I think
even
they
if,
should learn from this that power should
Yeah.
be used in the right way, not in a way that will benefit only you
for
and
them.
harm others. Yeah.
Yes, because
And
it's a,
even if they can forgive me, I will never forgive them.
Oh.
it's saying because the story doesn't change and the
The
wound
scars.
doesn't,
Oh,
you know.
yeah.
And guys, it's a really a problem, because even here in South Africa, a matter of this, like Prospero does, the power and control, is really a problem, and it gives people injustice, inequality,
Yeah.
and yeah. So the sacred leadership and the class distinction is really a problem.
Yeah.
However, we can see that Prospero finally changes to be a
Finally
good
forgives
leader and
people.
forgives and
I
reconciles
hope
with his
a lot will learn
And believe
from
that
him.
peace,
Yes.
peace.
And then
peace,
I think, guys, that's when we can. This is where we can end our discussion for today. You know, yes.